Introduce yourself. It's your name, title, and your company.
Eric Kern. I'm an architect at TriNet.
When people ask you what you do, what do you say?
I feel like it changes every time, but when they ask what I do, I just tell them that I work with this automation anywhere. I work with RPA tool, and I just automate end-to-end processes, try to bring some value back to the business.
How many years experience do you have in automation? And to add to that question, what would you say is your biggest accomplishment?
So I have close to going on 9 years of experience in IT, and I've been lucky enough. The first few years I was in this rotation program outside of school or after school, and probably in my second rotation within that program, I started using automation anywhere. So I've been using RPA probably for close to 7 or 8 years.
We kind of put our users in different personas. So we have leaders, we have developers, we have business analysts. What would you say, obviously as an architect, where's your greatest strength, and then what's an area that you would like to develop?
Probably my greatest strength as an architect is to just try to anticipate the need of our customers, like whoever it is that we're trying to serve, trying to keep that in mind to design whatever solution or service or whatever it is that we're providing them. The areas I'd like to develop in is probably maybe being more vocal, kind of as like a thought leader, or just being more vocal and authoritative, maybe.
Yeah.
Speaking not like just kind of speaking with or having more of a presence.
What tools do you typically focus on when you're developing your automation?
Yeah, actually, tomorrow we're doing the talk on end-to-end process automation, and we were one of the customers involved with the API task beta testing. So through that, we were able to build process using ARI that kind of stitches together everything. So more to come on that tomorrow, but within that process, we had multiple systems and integrations that we were able to set up and to connect to those systems using the API task to pass in and then extract the data and pass it through the whole end-to-end process. So that's one that I'm like sort of familiar with because we've been using it a lot lately.
Yeah. Are there any product areas that you want to learn more about, or that you're really excited about?
Yeah, I'm probably gonna sound like a broken record because everyone's talking about like Gen AI and all that, but I'm really excited to start using that just in daily lives at work, because I've been using it a lot personally, just to help out with some of the different things I'm working on. But to have that integrated with RPA or with Automation Anywhere, to provide like the full automation suite, I'm pretty excited for that.
Any recommendations for those who are new to automation?
Don't wait. Yeah, maybe just get started. There's so much resources online that you can easily get started and find out whatever suits you.